Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just want to jump right in and give you some before pictures. So there's a plug in that last picture with a tester in it. So basically turn that circuit off at the beginning of the day. As you can see, there's nothing on the ground, nothing on the walls. So this is where I started at the beginning of the day. And then you'll see here what I got done here shortly. This pipe right here coming out of the concrete wall was already there, and then this other hole was already drilled to the concrete wall, which these are going into disconnects on the outside of the building. So what I started with was taking the plug apart, adding a box extension, and then tapping out of that and connecting constant power from the plug up into this cabinet. Looking back, I should have piped it. The boss said I could either seal tight it, MC, or pipe it, and now it kind of looks odd because everything else is piped and looks really nice. So going back, I would have piped it 100% and then put the plug back together. From there, added a whole bunch of strut on the ground, little pieces, and then piped out of the cabinet into this left disconnect, as you'll see here in a second, and then matching my couplings and then keeping a nice even spacing. So I was pretty happy about that it turned out looking really nice. Probably didn't need to get it as close to the wall as I did, but that's what I ended up going with. And then from there, working on the load side of these disconnects. I'll show you here in a second, but those 90s are just sitting there loosely, but I piped up into the left disconnect, as I already said, and then coming back out, which is going to go to the outside disconnects. I teed that off with like a little box offset to be able to get around that first pipe for my T, for my 90s, and then the pipe on the outside has the LB 90 up, so I kept that closest to the wall, and then the second one, another LB going outside. I probably could have switched the order of this, but it is what it is, and it turned out pretty nice, so I'm not really complaining about it. But as you can see right here, the last thing I have to do is mark and drill my holes evenly off of the wall, and then add the connectors into these two disconnects. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I just want to say thank you so much. We reached 8,000 subscribers. I never thought I'd make it to 1,000, and I know I probably say this every time, but I'm just so thankful for each and every one of you, for the daily support, and for just following along on this journey. So thank you so much. We'll have a giveaway video coming up really soon. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and the support would help the channel grow, so I'd appreciate that as well. Check the description down below for anything else, like social media, my second YouTube channel, and video playlists. And lastly, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.